make crawling colors.
We're going to show you this cool color experiment so you can play too.
All you need to start with are 5 glasses and some water. First, pour some water into 3 of the glasses.
You want them to be in a pattern. Water, empty, water, empty, water.
This one, and this one.
The glasses need to be the same size and clear so you can see the rainbow. Then you're going to add your color.
If you want to make a rainbow, make your first one red. Make the middle one yellow.
And you make the last glass blue. These are 3 parts of the rainbow.
I added about 3 drops in it. And now you're going to mix it with a spoon. Then you're going to add your paper towels. Start with half a piece. Fold it or roll it.
It should look like this. Then cut it in half.
Then put the paper towel into the red water and bend the dry end into the empty glass.
So then you add more paper towels to every cup. The colored water is going to crawl into the empty glass through the paper towel.
The yellow is going to mix with the red. It's going to make orange. And the blue is going to mix with the yellow, and that's going to make green.
It's going to take a long time, so you have to have a lot of patience. While we're waiting,
Do the wave!
jumping jacks! 1, 2.
Think big thoughts.
Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot! After you played some fun games, check on your rainbow.
Wow.
The longer you wait, the more colored water will travel over.
Can't believe they crawl over into the empty glass. The paper towel is kind of like a bridge because the water goes over the bridge into the empty cup to make really cool colors.
And that's how you make crawling colors.